jobs وظائف. Listen and practice the words. قم بالتدرب على هذه الوظائف.
There are many hard words, so let's listen and practice them first. 1. Astronaut. 2. Reporter. 3. Architect. 4. Pilot. 5. Nurse. 6. Engineer. 7. Cook. 8. Diver. 9. Teacher. 10. Computer technician. 11. Firefighter. 12. Businessman. 13. Housewife. 14. Lawyer. 15. Doctor.
Small talk. Ask your partner and get the real answers. اعثر على الإجابات الحقيقية من صاحبك. What does your dad do? ماذا يقوم به والدك? He is إنه a doctor مثلا أو an engineer مهندس أو عفوا مهندس. نعم. 2. What does your mom do? ما الذي تقوم به والدتك? She is a teacher مثلا.
Are you ready? Okay. Let's listen and practice.
What does your dad do? He's a businessman.
What does your mom do?
She's a teacher.
Okay, good. Now ask your partner and get their answers.
What does your dad do? He's a...
What does your mom do?
She's a...
Okay, good. We're finished.
3. Can you interview your teacher and friends? هل يمكنك مقابلة معلمك وأصحابك؟ What's your dad's name? ما اسم والدك؟ My dad's name is Jake. اسمه جيك. What does he do? ما الذي يقوم به؟ He's a pilot. إنه طيار. الآن name friend 1, friend 2, friend 3. هؤلاء أصحابك. Dad or mom's name. اسم والده أو والدته. His or her job. وظيفته أو وظيفتها.
Are you ready? Let's start.
What's your dad's name?
My dad's name is Jake.
What does he do?
He's a pilot.
What's your dad's name?
My dad's name is Adnan.
What does he do?
He's an engineer. What's your dad's name?
My dad's name is Alan.
What does he do?
He's an architect. Okay, good. Now let's do it for real.
I can أستطيع do an interview about jobs with a partner. أقوم بمقابلة عن الوظائف. Say my dad's job. أخبر بوظيفة والدي. Grammar in action. Listen and chant in pairs. تدرب على هذه الأنشودة.
Space Station Crew.
Who's he?
He's Abdullah.
What does he do?
He's the pilot.
Where does he work?
In a station.
In the train station?
No, in the space station.
Who's he?
He's Faisal.
What does he do?
He's a doctor.
Where does he work?
In a hospital.
In the city hospital?
No, in the space hospital.
Who are they?
They're Ali and Omar.
What do they do?
They're the cooks.
Where do they work?
In a restaurant.
In the fast food restaurant?
No, in the space restaurant.
2. Can you listen and match jobs and places? Then answer 3. الآن أقرن هذه الوظائف إلى الأماكن الخاصة بها. Answers are: تدرب على هذه الجمل.
The man in the first picture is a doctor. He works in a hospital. He helps sick people. The men in the second picture are firefighters. They work at the fire station. They put out fires. The men in the third picture are pilots. They work at the airport. They fly planes. Now, listen again and number the sentences in the correct order. 1. He is a doctor. He works in a hospital. He helps sick people. 2. They are firefighters. They work at the fire station. They put out fires. 3. They are pilots. They work at the airport. They fly planes.
I can أستطيع chant the space station crew chant. أقوم بهذه الأنشودة. Say 2 jobs and what they do. وأسمي وظيفتين وبماذا يقومون به. فمثلا نقول their jobs وظيفتهم. Where they work وأين يعملون. What they do. Number in the correct order. نعطيها الأرقام صحيحة. They put out fires. يخمدون النيران مثلا. They fly planes. يقومون بالطيران والتحليق. He helps sick people. يساعد المرضى. Rhythms and reading. Listen, chant and do. قم بهذه الأنشودة وقم بتمثيل الأدوار.
Jobs.
When I grow up, I want to be a designer.
When I grow up, I want to be a baker.
When I grow up, I want to be a TV reporter.
When I grow up, I want to be a scientist.
When I grow up, I want to be a writer.
When I grow up, I want to be a doctor.
When I grow up, I want to be a presenter.
When I grow up, I want to be a teacher.
ديزاينر مصمم بيكر خباز تي في ريبورتر مراسل للتلفزيون ساينتست عالم رايتر كاتب دكتور طبيب بريزنتر مقدم تيتشر معلم. 3. Listen, circle the answers and guess what سعيد wants to be. خمن ماذا يريد أن يكون عليه سعيد. Ask and answer with a partner. اسأل وأجب مع صاحبك. الأسئلة هي Where do you want to work؟ أين تريد أن تعمل؟ فمثلا يقول In my country في بلدي. In different countries في دول أخرى. 2. What do you want to do؟ ما الذي تريد أن تقوم به؟ I want to travel and meet people. السفر ومقابلة الناس. I want to live in the city. السكن في المدينة. And work in an office. والعمل في المكتب. 3. Do you want to learn many languages؟ أتعلم لغات كثيرة؟ Yes or no؟ 4. Are you planning to study؟ هل تخطط للدراسة؟ Yes or no. 5. Do you like to travel؟ هل تحب السفر؟ Yes or no. 6. Do you like to help people؟ هل تحب مساعدة الناس؟ Yes or no. الآن قم بتعبئة هذه الاستبيان من إجابات صديقك. Answers are
Make groups. Are you ready? Let's start.
Where do you want to work? I want to work in different countries.
What do you want to do?
I want to travel and meet people. Do you want to learn many languages?
Yes, I do. I'd like to speak different languages.
Are you planning to study? Yes, I am.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I do. I'd like to travel to space. Do you like to help people?
Yes, of course.
I know. You want to be a pilot. No, that's not right. I want to. I know. You want to be an astronaut. Yes, that's right. I want to be an astronaut.
Okay, good. Next group. Are you ready?
I can أستطيع point to and read the jobs chant by myself أن أشر على أنشودة الوظائف أو أوديها talk about someone wants to be when she grows up وأخبر عن ماذا يريد الآخرون أن يصبحوا عليه عندما يكبرون. Phonics نطق listen say and match then write n and g عبارة عن نطق الحرف الكي لا ينطق إذا تلاه حرف الN. كرر هذه الحروف في هذه الكلمات.
Listen to words with KN and GH. Match KN or GH.
Right, right. Knob, knob.
Knee, knee.
Night, night. Knife, knife.
Light, light.
Knock, knock.
To listen and say and number then read. لدينا نطق حرف الS مثلا Z نعطيها رقم 1 مثل reads بينما walks انتهت بس نعطيها number 2 مثلا teaches انتهت بis ونعطيها number 3. ماذا عن الكلمات التالية؟
Listen, point, and practice. Number 1. Reads. Reads says Z.
Reads says Z.
Number 2. Walks. Walks says S.
Walks says S.
Number 3. Teaches. Teaches says is.
Teaches says is.
Now listen, say, and number.
Sleeps, sleeps. Sleeps says S. Number 2.
Eats, eats. Number 2.
Brushes, brushes. Number 3. Comes, comes.
Washes, washes.
Cleans, cleans. Folds, folds.
Goes, goes.
Plays, plays. Watches, watches. Runs, runs. Catches, catches.
Well done. Now read the words with a partner.
Answers are 3. Listen and point to the numbers then chant. أشر على هذه الأرقام وقل هذه الأنشودة.
1,000 stars. I like to count the stars at night. 10 at a time. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100.
Let's count together 100 at a time. 100, 200, 300, 400, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900. 1,000 stars at night.
Okay, good. Let's do it again.
I can أستطيع. Spell and write words with n, knife, g, night, night, and verbs ending in s or es. أستطيع أن أسمي كلمات فيها النايف الصامتة ونايت أيضا الصامتة. وأيضا أسمي أفعالا تنتهي بإس أو إس. Count up to 1000 وأستطيع أن أعد حتى 1000. نلاحظ أن الجي اتش في هذه الكلمات صامتة. وعادة ما تكون في منتصف الكلمة ويتلوها حرف التي. Picture dictionary قاموس الصور. An architect, an astronaut, bake bread, a boat, brush my teeth, a businessman. Clean up your room, a coin, come home, a computer technician, a cook, a crocodile. A day, do my homework, dream, eat lunch, an engineer, feed the fish. Fold the laundry, a fork, get up, go shopping, go to bed, jump into bed. Jump out of bed, a knife, knock, a knob, make a drink, a mouse. A nurse, 1,000, a pair of trousers, a pilot, polar bear, a reporter. Ride the bus home, right, set the table, meet my friends, a snail, snow. Take a bath, take out the trash, a turtle, vacuum the floor, wash the dishes, a window. كان معكم الأستاذ جاسم العقيلي مع تمنياتنا لكم بعام حافل بالجد والعطاء.